Patria inaugurated its state-of-the-art facility in Jämsä, Finland, dedicated to producing forward fuselages for the F-35 fighter jet. The announcement, made public by Patria Group on June 16, signals a critical step forward in Finland's integration into the international defense manufacturing network. This new factory is a cornerstone in Finland's offset obligations tied to the HX fighter deal, and once fully operational by autumn 2025, it will take on large-scale assembly tasks for the F-35. Production is set to scale up by spring 2026, ultimately creating up to 150 new technical and engineering jobs at the Hali site. The F-35 Lightning II, Lockheed Martin's cutting-edge stealth fighter, plays a dominant role in 21st-century aerial warfare. It combines stealth capabilities with supersonic speed and advanced avionics, allowing it to execute missions ranging from air superiority to electronic warfare. With its internally housed weaponry and a powerful F-135 engine by Pratt & Whitney, the aircraft remains undetectable across many radar profiles while maintaining top-tier performance. It's outfitted with some of the most sophisticated systems in modern aviation, such as the N/APG-81 AESA radar, EOTS, and DAS, giving pilots unmatched battlefield awareness and coordination abilities. Finnish Defense Minister Antti Häkkänen framed the development as a testament to the country's engineering know-how. He stressed that this collaboration boosts Finland's technological capabilities, strengthens domestic defense infrastructure, and secures long-term self-reliance in a volatile world. Patria's Petri Heppila added that the venture represents smooth coordination among the Finnish Ministry of Defense, Lockheed Martin, and local defense stakeholders, solidifying Patria's role as a key contributor to the global F-35 initiative. Representing Lockheed Martin, Nick Drazik emphasized how Patria's addition to the supply network increases overall capacity, generates employment, and yields economic benefits that ripple across participating nations. Patria's responsibility isn't limited to fuselages either. The company is set to produce 400 forward fuselages and landing gear doors between 2026 and 2040 under its multilateral commitments. Lockheed Martin's deeper cooperation with countries like Finland is driven by the dual goal of expanding manufacturing capacity and ensuring geopolitical cohesion within the F-35 program. This model leans heavily on a decentralized production approach, with over one-fifth of the jet's components made outside the U.S. By diversifying its supplier base, the program achieves not only logistical efficiency but also a broad alliance of committed stakeholders across Europe and NATO. The F-35's European footprint continues to grow, with nations such as the UK, Italy, Netherlands, Denmark, and Norway already fielding the jet. Meanwhile, countries like Poland, Belgium, Germany, Switzerland, and the Czech Republic are in various stages of procurement or rollout. This trend points to a unified vision among allies, creating a common aerial platform to simplify operations, maintenance, and training while ensuring collective security. Finland is also advancing work on a specialized facility in Lännevuori, Nokia, for assembling and maintaining the Pratt & Whitney F-135 engines that power the F-35. Set to be completed by fall 2025, this center will give Finland crucial domestic capability in engine support, further reinforcing supply chain security and national defense readiness. The broader implication of these developments is the elevation of Finland's standing within the global defense ecosystem. By expanding its role in the F-35 program, Finland is not just acquiring a fleet of next-generation aircraft, it is embedding itself into the long-term sustainment and innovation structure of one of the most ambitious fighter programs in history. In doing so, the country ensures job creation, strategic independence, and a lasting role in the collective deterrence architecture of allied air forces.